Hey everyone! Want to beat the heat with a fun and simple DIY project? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mini air conditioner from cardboard in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, here are the materials you'll need. A small or medium cardboard box, a USB or 12V DC fan, plastic bottles for ice, plastic or metal pipes, aluminum foil, optional, a cutter or scissors, a glue gun or strong adhesive, tape, and a marker. Got all that? Great. Step 1. Prepare your cardboard box. Choose a box that fits your space. Use your cutter or scissors to make holes on the sides of the box. One side is for the fan, and the opposite side is for the air vents. Step 2. Let's install the air vents. Take your plastic or metal pipes and cut them into pieces around 5 to 6 inches long. Cut holes in the front side of the box and insert the pipes. Secure them with glue or tape. Step 3. Now for the fan. Attach it on the opposite side of the box, facing inside. Cut a hole just big enough to fit the fan snugly. Secure it with glue or tape. Make sure it's blowing air into the box. Step 4. Time to add the cooling element. Place 2 to 3 small plastic bottles or containers filled with frozen water inside the box. Position them right in front of the fan. This way, the air passes over the ice and cools down before exiting through the vents. Step 5. Optional step here. For better cooling efficiency, line the inside of the box with aluminum foil. This helps reflect the cold air and prevents heat from being absorbed by the cardboard. Step 6. Seal the box. Close the lid and seal any gaps with tape or glue. This ensures the air flows through the vents efficiently. Finally, Step 7. Power and test your cooler. Plug in your USB fan or connect your DC fan to a power source. Once the fan is running, it will draw warm air in, pass it over the ice, and blow cool air out through the vents. And there you have it. A simple DIY air cooler made from cardboard. Perfect for small spaces on hot days. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching.